We'd like to introduce the Arden Shakespeare Play Collection, Text and Language, a new collection now available on Drama Online. This collection provides the Arden Shakespeare third series of 42 plays alongside the landmark multi-volume, the Arden Encyclopedia of Shakespeare's Language, all in one digital space. You can navigate between the plays and accessible dictionary-style analysis of Shakespeare's words for a richer understanding of the plays and the period in which they were first written and performed. Seamlessly look up meanings of words in the Encyclopedia whilst reading a world-leading Arden Shakespeare edition using the new Look Up tool on the playtext page. The first part of this encyclopedia comprises a dictionary of all the words in Shakespeare's plays. Users can search this dictionary to find meanings of words which are contextually appropriate to the 16th and 17th century. For example, the word villain had quite a different meaning then compared to how it's used today. Alongside the definitions, there's information about how frequently the word is spoken, what genre of play the word's more likely to appear in, and information about which characters say the word in Shakespeare's plays. These graphs show users whether a word was spoken more by female or male characters, or characters of a certain status. These graphs also offer comparative information on how Shakespeare's usage of the word compared to that of his contemporaries. When users need help understanding this extra information, they can access a guide to entries on every page of the dictionary. New users can click on elements of the definition they don't understand and find a simple explanation. If users would like to understand the methodology that's being used, they can click through to the relevant part of the introduction where this is all explained. Volumes 3 and 4 of the Arden Encyclopedia of Shakespeare's Language include articles from expert scholars analysing the linguistics of Shakespeare's plays from different perspectives. In Volume 3, Plays and Characters, each play has its own article. At the top of the article, the most frequently used words appear in a word cloud, followed by analysis from the editors. The most frequently used words by each of the main characters is also provided in a word cloud and analysed. Volume 4 presents the data as character networks, and again, there is one article for each play. An image visualising the network is provided, alongside a table of data and analysis. These character networks show which characters speak to other characters and how frequently, providing insights into the dynamics between characters. For example, who Iago interacts with the most to bring about the tragic ending of Othello. These articles have been indexed against the Drama Online taxonomy, meaning they fully integrate with search and browse functionality. In 2027, the fifth volume of the Arden Encyclopedia of Shakespeare's Language, which covers semantic fields and social status, will also be available within the collection. These Arden Shakespeare third series playtexts contain extensive notes and commentary, which can be accessed online using the Show Notes functionality and selecting a notes pop-up or a highlighted word. Each play includes an extensive illustrated introduction by a leading scholar, exploring the play's critical, theatrical, and historical contexts. Each year from 2026, a small number of new Arden Shakespeare 4th Series editions will be added to the Arden Shakespeare Play Collection, Text and Language, until eventually the entire series has been incorporated. A new dictionary tool is available in this collection, which appears on the Arden Shakespeare 3rd Series playtexts and uses the contextually appropriate dictionary from the Arden Encyclopedia of Shakespeare's Language. Users can seamlessly look up words whilst reading a Shakespeare play with no need to open a new tab or access a separate resource. How might this collection be used? Perhaps a student is preparing for reading Cleopatra's lines in an upcoming class and wants to make sure they understand the meanings of all the words they'll be speaking. They come across the word born and don't know what it means, so use the dictionary tool to look it up and find out it means boundary or limit. Then they come across the word process and don't think their understanding of that word in modern day use fits with the text, so use the tool to look it up and see that there are multiple definitions. Which definition is most appropriate could be a good question for a class discussion. Users can access the full entry for the word from the tool, which will display any graphs created for that word, and can also access the guide to entries to find out what different components of the entries mean. Perhaps a researcher wants to write an article about how the concept of citizenship was perceived in the 16th and 17th centuries. They start by searching for various words in the dictionary that relate to citizenship. The way the dictionary search works is that the exact word you've searched for will appear at the top, followed by words which are partial matches, and then any words which contain the word you've searched for in their definition. This means researchers interested in Shakespeare's use of language can interrogate the dictionary by seeing meanings and linguistic analysis for other relevant words. The Arden Shakespeare Play Collection, Text and Language, is available for purchase via subscription or perpetual access now. Arrange your free trial today.